Hi, Shelly here. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to use Educreations. If you take a look in my bottom bar, you'll see the Educreations app. I'm going to click on it to open it. So here we are at the dashboard. Let me give you a quick tour of what's on the dashboard. Up in the top left corner, you're going to see a plus button. That's how you will create a new lesson in just a moment. And in the top right corner, you will see the select button. You can click that and select videos and delete them or share them. And then you have a few options on the left that we're not going to use today. I'm going to start out by clicking the plus button. Now I have a new lesson and I'm all ready to go. So to get started, you can do a couple of different things. In the top right, you're going to see a little icon that looks like a piece of paper. I'm going to click that. You can choose what kind of a background you want, lined, graph paper. I'm just going to choose plain white paper. Then you can choose the plus button, and I'm going to click and load an image from my photos. So I found this. I'm going to just click on it and stretch it a little bit. And you notice that when I click on it, I get some different options down there that I can do with it. But I'm going to stretch it a little bit and get it ready for my recording. And I just found that on Google and loaded it to my iPad. Okay, I'm ready, and I'm going to click in the left top corner. You'll see a red microphone button. This is your recording button. So now I'm recording, and I can start explaining my lesson. So I would explain that this is a lesson about ratios, and then I would talk about these are the three different ways that you can write ratios. When I'm ready to go on to a new slide, in the bottom right corner, I can just simply click the arrow button, and I'll get a blank slide. If you need to get the screen ready, you can press the pause button and get your screen ready. So maybe this time I want to have lined paper. And when I'm ready to record again, I can click the record button. So now I might have an image for them. There are 3 of something, and there are 4 of something else. And I might show them how I'm going to write that ratio, 3 to 4. 3 over 4. You can write all the different types of ratios out and explain it to them. So when I'm done with my video, I'm going to press pause. And then right above that is the save button. I'm going to click that right above it and click save. I'm going to give this a title, Ratios Practice, and click save. Now it's saved to my dashboard, and so I can click select, and I can click on that, and right above it you'll see that there's a share button. I can click that, copy the link from that little video, and I'm going to go out of that app, and I'm just going to email myself this link. And there you have it. Now I have the link in my email, and I can email it out to my students. I can grab that link, copy it, and paste it into my Canvas class or my Google Classroom, and it's all ready to be shared with my students. I hope you enjoyed learning about Educreations. Join us next time.